Okay, welcome back. In this video we are now going to start creating the pages for our membership site, and the first one we've got here is the checkout page. That's the first one we're going to create. So in our WordPress navigation here, we'll hover over pages and then click on add new, and I'm just going to open this up in a new tab. So we're going to create a new page, so let's call this just checkout. So just add that in as your page name. The permalink is going to automatically update to check-out depending on what permalink you've got set up. Now to add in a checkout page, so for the free membership, things that you're going to see is you're going to see the first and last name for people to fill out. There's going to be a username, an email address, and then they're going to select a password and reconfirm that password. Now all those fields, we don't need to worry about adding that in terms of the HTML. What we're going to be using, and what Premise has a lot of, is called shortcodes. Now shortcodes is a WordPress specific functionality where we just add in a shortcode into our page, and what the plugin does, what Premise plugin does, is it takes that shortcode and it turns it into the actual code that needs to be in there, or the HTML that needs to be added. So to add a shortcode, we just simply add two square brackets, a opening and a closing bracket, and in between there we actually write the little shortcode text. Now to add in the checkout form, we actually put in checkout underscore form. Okay, so that's all we need to add. Now with the checkout form, you can do a lot of customizing with the form. If I go into my membership site, this is my checkout form that I've got going at the moment. It's quite fancy. I've added a lot of CSS into it, and certainly adding ours today is not going to create something that looks like this, but you'll see here this is the form that it's going to create. So it's going to have a label there which we can customize. So by default it's going to say create your account. You then got your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and you re-enter the password, and then it's got this button under here that says create account. And these are the fields that are there by default. Now we can actually customize this heading here, and we can customize what this button says as well. Okay, so just to give you an idea of things you can do, I'm not going to go through that in this video. If you want to learn how to customize the checkout form, I'm going to add some free videos in my membership area for you to have a look at if you want to go further with this. But if you're just looking to learn the basics, all you need to do right now is just add checkout underscore form and hit publish. Okay, and that's all you need to do. Now once this is published, you might be tempted to go and have a look at the page, but there's nothing going to appear there just yet, and the reason why is because we actually need to create a product. We actually need to create the free membership product first. So don't worry about viewing it, that's all you're going to see. Okay, but let's go back into our member settings, and we'll just click on the settings again to refresh the page. So let's now, from the drop down here, let's select our checkout page and save the settings. Okay, so just make sure that's all set up and ready to go. All done. Excellent. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is add our login page. Okay, or we're going to create the login page. So I'm going to leave this video here, and in the next video we'll then create the login page. All right, so I'll see you then. Okay. Bye.